My name is Mohammed. Today I'm going to discuss about a topic which is called substitutions. So the substitutions means that we already discussed about in equations how to substitute the value, okay, for like a number, okay, has replaced by a symbol or any letter. So the same as the substitution in expressions means like algebraic expressions. If I say there is an x plus 1, okay, so you need to substitute the value of x which is equal to 2. So what I'm doing, okay, I am substituting the value of x which is given 2. So 2 plus 1. So the answer will be 3. So putting number in the place of a letter is called substitution. So, but before substitutions, we also keep in mind some rules of multiplications in terms of plus minus or minus minus and plus plus. So this is, for example, plus times plus, which is plus. And if you times by minus, okay, the answer will be in plus. And what? So if we times by plus times minus, the answer will be in minus. And if you do minus times plus, the answer will be in negative or minus. So this is very important, especially when you are solving in expression. So, rules. So, what, for example, if I'm giving you expression which is 4x y plus 2x. So, the value of x is given, x equal to x equal to minus 2 and y equal to plus 1. So you need to substitute the value of this x and y to this expression. So what we are doing, so for the value of x is minus 2 and then value of y is 1. And then plus 2 times x is minus 2. So what we are doing, okay, here, look at here, okay. So you need to apply the same rule for the BODMAS as well, okay, which we already discussed, okay. So BODMAS says is a bracket, order, okay, like power, like fractions, okay, divisions, multiplication, addition, and subtractions. So you need to follow the same rule, okay, for the BODMAS for solving this expression wherever it's coming. These operation together, so you need to apply brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And division, multiplication has to be, you know, whichever is coming first or from left to right. The same as, okay, what I'm doing, okay, so this is 4 minus 2, which is 8, okay, but look at, there's a sign is minus, okay. So this is the plus, okay, if it's not written there, so it means we assume the plus. So 4 times 2 is 8, so it means plus minus is minus, so 8 times 1 is minus 8. And then 2 plus minus is, look at here, when plus 2 times by minus 2. So plus times minus is minus. The sign has to be changed with minus, and 2 times 2 is 4. So your final answer will be what? 8 plus 4 is 12, and the sign will be minus. So before going to be substitute, okay, so keep in mind about the positive and the negative value which are given in a question. So let me take an example to understand about substitution. So if I say that what? Find the value of x equal to 4 and find the value of y, and the question you given y equal to number 1, okay, y equal to 8 over x, okay. The second question says y equal to 16 over x and y equal to 17 minus x, and number 4 question is y equal to 40 over x. So what you do, you simply substitute the value of x which is given in a question 4. So it means 8 divided by 4. So the answer will be 2. The same as, okay, 16 divided by 4. So the answer will be very simple, 4. 17 take away 4. The answer is very simple, 13. And 40 divided by the value of x is 4. So 4 times. So it means we are substituting the value which is given in a questions for this expression. So now I'm going to move more expressions, which is there is a value of a is, for example, given minus 2. The value of b is given 3. And value of c is given here minus 1. And the question says what? Question says b minus a c minus b. Okay, so this is the expression. So how you can solve this one if the value given, okay, so we need to substitute, okay, 3, the value of b is 3, okay, and the value of a is minus 2, okay, and then plus 4, and the value of c is here minus 1. Why I'm putting the value of minus in a bracket, okay, because if when simplify this one, okay, so the plus times minus, the sign we use minus. When the minus coming, minus times minus is coming plus, okay, and plus times minus is minus. So that's why I'm putting in a bracket. So the value of b, which is 3. So look at this one, okay, same. As per the board mass says, first you need to solve bracket. So I'm going to solve this bracket first, okay. So what? So 3 minus multiply minus, which is plus. So minus multiply minus, which is plus, and this is 3 plus 2, because this minus times with minus, the sign to be converted to plus. And same as here, okay? Plus this 4 plus this minus, okay? First we need to solve the bracket. So minus 1 and minus 3. So the answer will be minus 4. And now look at this one. Okay, what? So 3 plus 2, which is 5. 4 times 4 is 16. But the sign is also times with this, okay? So plus minus is minus, okay? So the sign will change to minus and 16. So 3 times 5 is 15, take away 16, so the answer will be minus 1. So this is called substitutions. Now I'm going to take one more example. If I say that, what? 2xy minus xy plus 2x minus z. So this is the expression given in exam, okay? And the value given for substitutions, x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1, and the z equal to minus 2. So what we are doing, we need to substitute these values to this expression. So 2x means 4 and y means minus 1, and then sign for the minus, x y. So xy means this x with the times, okay, with y. So x times y is 4 times minus y, and then plus 2x. So 2 times 4, and it says z is minus, so bracket, and this is minus 2. So now, okay, we substitute the given value here, okay, and we need to simplify this one. So what we are doing, 2 times 4 is 8, and the sign is minus, so the sign to be changed, minus 8. So 2 times 4 8, and 8 times 1 is 8, and the sign is plus minus is minus, so the sign to be changed to minus. And now again, which is what? 4 times 1 is 4, but look at the sign here, what? This minus time with this minus, minus time with this minus, so become plus. So 4 times 1, 4. And after that, okay, what? Plus 2 times 4 is 8. And minus time, there is no value multiplying, but itself there is a minus sign. So this minus times with minus, so the answer will be plus. So is plus 2. Now look at this one, plus 8 cancel with minus 8, very simple. And then you need to add these two numbers, which is plus 4 plus 2, so the answer will be 6. So whenever you are solving this substitution, so you have to be consider about these rules, especially for the BODMAS and plus and minus, so you can solve easily. Okay, so let me do one more questions. Is x plus 2 plus x y. The value of x is 2 and the value of y, which is 3. So we need to simplify this one. How we simplify? Same as, okay, so as we know about the fractions, okay, if there is the fractions, okay, so it means nothing is there, so it means there is a 1. So what we do, okay, whenever we are solving fraction, we need to make the denominator same. So denominator has to be same. So the same way what we do, okay, so there is a 2 there, so I need to times by equivalent fractions, which is times by 2, and also I need to times by this one also 2. So now is expression become x plus 2 plus 2xy over 2. Now the denominators are same. Now you can substitute the value of x and y for this expression. So our final expression is like 2x plus 2xy. So what we are doing, okay, so the value of x is 2 and 2 times x and y, okay. X and y means here x is times by y. So x is 2 and y is 3 and divided by 2. So first we need to do times, okay, as per the BODMAS, okay. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12, okay. So the answer for this one is 2 plus 12, 2, and then I would say 14 over 2. The answer will be 2 times 14, which is 7. So this is your final answer. So this is the substitutions. So if you like this video, please leave your feedback and see you in the next video. Bye bye.